Hi everyone, how are you? See this video up to last moment and comment your questions. Hi everyone, how are you? Today we are going to learn today one of the warm-up exercise. It exercise very important, and when you are doing this exercise, your whole body will warm up easily and quickly. So that exercise name is mountain climber lockdown exercise. So be at home and do this exercise every day. First of all, we have to come on this mat and very nice exercise and very important. Do the practice of this exercise. Put the hands, you do stretch like this and go back. This position is like this. Now we are starting this exercise. Start with up to 8 counts. Ready? Start with the right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Okay? Now once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Like this you have to do the exercise. Your body will get up warm up very easily. Do this exercise at home and be safe at home.